from this morning. Now you come chat to me pan my break. How you try to do to me, my girl? Eh? How you really I try to? You try send my nose go hospital?
Hey, you're right.
Mm.
How comes you're not eating?
I'm already.
Oh, right. So, did you see the new manager? Oh my day, don't you think he's a bit...
Alikoa?
You know, he's a little like...
What is... What is that?
Like, he looks a bit scary. He does.
So what's so scary about him?
I don't know, he sort of reminds me of my old principal. He has got that, like, scary look.
You know what is scary?
What?
Let me tell you what is scary. From me come to work this morning, me I work with you. From me I work with you, you not stop chat. Let me ask you a question. Where the pen for your timetable say, me and you need to have break together, eh? Wait there, point it out to me now. And now you come tell me about what? Man scary, or your mouth scary? Yeah? Your mouth scary. From this morning, it not start move, and the order in a for your mouth, that not right at all. Eh? Your mouth stink from this morning. Now you come chat to me pan my break. How you try to me, my girl? Eh? How you really I try to? You try send my nose go hospital? And that's what you try to? Eh?
No.
And imagine, you know, you have on your mask. You have it on, but you take off your mask. For come chat to me, you flick up on the mask when you chat to me. And what you really try to? You try to kill me?
But I told you my ears are small, so they keep coming on.
No, me don't want to hear that no more. I know your ears. The mask are run away from your mouth because the odor too strong. Yeah? Imagine you, the mask has try to protect you. The mask has try to protect you, you know, from COVID. And you try to give your mask one next virus. That not right? Eh? You come tell me no, man look scary. Man look scary. So what you try to say? Eh? The man look like one alien? But so be a case for your mouth smell like one alien poop. Can't bother with you, you know. You're just a chat. You feel loud people when you see them, man. Loud them. Sure. Me not like chat, you know, she come chat to me, man. Sure. Hey guys, first and foremost, I just want to thank you all for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what you need to do. You need to like it. You need to comment. You need to subscribe. If you haven't already, but then I think you should share it with your friend. So then your friend can subscribe to my channel. But guys, thank you so much for your support. Now clearly you're watching this part of the video because you want to know what the announcement is about. So the announcement is actually why I haven't been posting. So I haven't been posting because I've been working on something, and the something that I've been working on is launching my natural beauty business. Yeah, you heard me correct. Natural beauty business. So guys, I will be launching this business next week, Thursday. So Thursday, the 12th of November, 2020. Write it down. I will be launching my first business. Now guys, if natural beauty products are something that you would be interested in, then definitely check it out. Everything will be in my description box below, from the website to the socials. You can follow up for updates, and my Instagram will also be down there. Yeah, I've come on this Instagram wave now. I haven't posted anything, but you know, you can like still give me a follow so you will know it when I've posted on there. But guys, definitely do check it out if it's something you're interested in. So that was the announcement, and I just want to thank you guys again for your constant support. Thank you, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.